All right, class. So in lab number 2, we're going to discuss the anterior or outer structures of the heart. And in number 1, we have to know the aortic arch. And this is the aortic arch. And the aorta is responsible for sending oxygenated blood to the systemic circuit. The second structure is the superior vena cava, which is a large vein that takes blood from the upper structures to the right atrium. That's deoxygenated blood. So we have the aortic arch, the superior vena cava. This structure is called the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk takes deoxygenated blood to your left and right lungs, so the blood can be oxygenated. So the next structure is the left pulmonary artery. So the left pulmonary artery will be located here. Remember, the left pulmonary artery and the right pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to each lung. The next structure is the left pulmonary vein. These red structures carry oxygenated blood, so these are veins. Usually veins carry deoxygenated blood and arteries carry oxygenated blood when you're talking about the systemic circuit. But within the heart, the veins, this is the left pulmonary vein, is going to take oxygenated blood to the left atrium. The next structure is the ligamentum arteriosum. So you have a ligament here that attaches the aorta to the pulmonary trunk. It's a ligament that's located in this region. It's called the ligamentum arteriosum. The next structure is the right auricle. Now the right auricle is this structure. It's called auricle because it's shaped like an ear, but it's the outer structure that covers the right atrium. So this is the right auricle. The next structure is the left auricle that's located here. It covers the left atrium. So you have the right auricle, left auricle. The next structure is the anterior interventricular sulcus. That's located here. The sulcus is like a depression that's on the outside of the heart. So this is the anterior interventricular sulcus. The yellow portion is located as known as the sulcus, the anterior interventricular sulcus. Now the next structure is the great cardiac vein. Remember, the vein is going to be here. So that's the great cardiac vein located in this region. So this is the great cardiac vein. Great cardiac vein. Now the next structure is the anterior interventricular artery. The anterior, because it's on the front of the heart, anterior interventricular artery. Now remember, we're not talking about the other structures as if we were talking about the pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins, but now the heart itself is being supplied with blood. So that's why you see this artery being in red instead of blue, like the valves or the vessels. So remember, you have the great cardiac vein in blue, and in red, here you have the anterior interventricular artery. And lastly, you have the coronary sulcus in yellow. This is the coronary sulcus. So continue to watch this video, watch it over and over again until you master the outer structures or the anterior structures or outer structures of the heart. And we'll see you in the next video.